Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at LM Studio. LM Studio is a free program which lets you run LLMs locally. You can install LM Studio by going to its website and downloading it. Once you have LM Studio installed, you will get something like this, which is the home page of LM Studio. Now let's go through its functions in detail. In the home page, you will see a search bar, a welcome note, and some featured LLMs. You can also update the program by clicking on the Check for Updates button. In order to run an LLM on your computer, you need to download any one specific LLM, which come in various sizes. It's recommended to have a GPU to run these LLMs, especially the larger ones, since they run slowly on CPUs. However, you can still run smaller LLMs on CPUs. The main factor of your performance would be the amount of VRAM or GPU memory you have. If you have more VRAM, you can run larger models. So to download a model, you can search for it using the search bar in the home page or the dedicated search page. I have listed some recommended LLMs in the description below, but it is worth noting that these change over time. So once you have selected a model, you'll get to see something like this. Every model has a set of quantizations, which are essentially compressed versions of the model. Quantizations allow you to run large models on your computer. They start from Q1 to Q8, with additional versions like KM, KS, or KL. The higher the quantization, the better the quality of the model. Q8 is nearly indistinguishable from the uncompressed version, while versions below Q3 are generally considered too detrimental to the quality of the model. I advise you to choose a quantization that is above Q3 but small enough in size to be loaded in your GPU's memory. Q4KM is a good choice for most use cases. So I have a memory for my GPU of about 4 GB. So the model which is the best fit for me would be Q4, which is about 4.66 GB. Once you have downloaded the model, you can use it by going to the AI chat page. Now you can click on the load button at the top and pick your LLM. This should automatically set up the recommended parameters for you, like the preset. There are a lot of parameters to tweak, and it's impossible to go through all of them in this video, but I will cover the main ones. First, we have the system prompt. This is like the main prompt that defines how the LLM should interact with the user and instructions for the entire conversation. Next, we have the temperature. This is the value that controls the randomness or creativity of the LLM's response. Higher values will lead to a more unpredictable behavior, while low values will make the model respond deterministically. I recommend a temperature between 0.3 to 0.7 for most models. The next major parameter would be the GPU acceleration parameters. Here you can control the number of layers offloaded to the GPU. This is useful in cases where the model is too large to fit in the GPU's memory entirely. In these cases, you can offload a part of the model to the CPU. Apart from just chatting with the LLM, you can also host the model locally for you to use its outputs in your programs. In order to do that, you have to visit the local server page. You have to select the parameters and load the model. After that, you can use the model through an OpenAI compatible API. You just have to provide the base API URL and the API key. Note that this API is only available to local applications. Finally, we have the My Models page. This lets you view and delete the LLMs that you downloaded. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.